truck, bro. Look at this shit. 3:08 p.m. Mark. Pendejo.
Day of service conducted by music professionals and their fans. Let's unite through our shared love of music to make a difference in our communities by volunteering this April 26th. Learn more and sign up at thedaythatmusiccares.com.
This hour of music sponsored by Stanford Medicine. Visit stanfordmedicine.org.
Fucking guy's crazy, man.
Bay Area traffic.
Hey, what's good? If you have ideas with your traffic report, it's all sponsored by USPS Brown Advantage. Simple, affordable, and
Yeah, we're Supervisor Called.
Yes, sir.
Are you here, Daryl?
No, I'm in Foothill Expressway,
Foothill Expressway?
making on the traffic light.
Traffic light? Oh. Oh, wait.
Yeah. Yeah, send them home, man.
Oh, shit.
So just make my left turn on Foothill Expressway.
How was the accident?
Yeah, it was a small accident, but they covered the right side. So freaking
Yeah, that's exactly why it was stalled on the right.
freaking
Oh,
every
stuck to right.
yeah
Probably
freaking
7 minutes.
yeah freaking every car they moving on the left side.
Yeah.
Man, it ruined my day, bro.
Yeah, okay, I'll see you soon.
Man, I don't want to be late, bro.
Yeah.
I don't want to write up, bro. I have video of the accident. I had it on my Dashcam.
Alright, Daryl.
Alright, man, I'm here in Hillview.
Yeah, bye.
Okay.